This is Jim Gehring of Brown Tool Auctions. Here are just a few of the items that will be included in our March 25th auction. Surveying was an important profession in early America, and American surveyors and instrument makers made a number of improvements to the techniques that had been developed in Europe. Benjamin Hanks was one of the Minutemen at Lexington and Concord and served in the Revolutionary War. He was also one of the earliest American makers of scientific instruments, and this mahogany and brass surveyor's compass, which dates to around 1800, is a beautiful example of his work. One of the most important was the invention, by William Young of Philadelphia, of the transit, a simpler and more rugged version of the English theodolite that was more suited to use on the frontier. Based on its markings, this example was made by Young sometime between 1832 and 1845. Inclinometers are levels that are designed not just to determine whether a surface is level or not, but to actually measure the angle of slope of the surface. A number of different designs were patented in the late 1800s. Most of them were not a commercial success, and examples are accordingly rare and prized by collectors. This ingenious inclinometer, which uses a semicircular central vial to measure the angle of slope, was patented by Joseph Happel and was sold by the Bradford Union Company of Bradford, Pennsylvania.